you on. If you're a wellness girly and you're trying to get rid of cortisol face, you're trying to move lymph, decrease swollen lymph nodes, help your immune system, this can also help. So that's what I really want to talk about. This comes with 4 different options, and it actually comes with a little bit of charge, so that's nice. So when you first get it, it has some charge. Now this is the thing, level 1, which is not going to be great for like recovery tools unless you're really sensitive. This level 1 is also something you can do to move lymphatic fluid. So let me kind of break that down for you. This is a tool, right, that you're just going to hold, and what you want to do is use that light pressure to kind of go around your lymph nodes, go around your clavicle, as you can hear that little vibration, and this is what's going to help move lymph. So there's 2 different things you can do with this, right? Muscle recovery, we can ramp it up to the 4, get the powerful, right, and then let it go to work and, you know, work on those sore muscles after a workout. Maybe you're recovering from an injury or something like that. But if you want more of the wellness as far as like improving circulation, moving your lymph, different things like that, you want to keep this all the way down on 1, right? The lighter the pressure, the more inflammation you're going to get rid of, the more circulation that you're going to have. And this is what you're going to do. If you're using this for muscle recovery, go straight to the muscle, do what you need to do. If you're using it to just decrease, you know, puffiness, improve circulation, move your lymph, what you're gonna do is start up with your clavicle. You're gonna pump your clavicle just a little bit. I'm giving you a full lesson here. Pump that clavicle, and then you're gonna start working around that clavicle with light pressure. So here's the thing, muscle recovery, we're gonna dig in and try to work that muscle and get that lactic acid out of there. Put that to the side. If you're looking to move lymph, improve circulation, decrease pain, different things like that, you want to use super light pressure, right? So don't dig in. You want to use like the pressure you would use to slide a quarter. That's the amount of pressure that you're going to do to move lymph. So for example, I had a surgery on my stomach. So yes, I was using this on my stomach, not necessarily where my incision was or my ileostomy, but just around my stomach to move that lymph and move the congestion. So that light pressure is what's going to help with circulation, right? That deep pressure is what's going to work for like muscle recovery. Works really, really well. The other thing is you have the soft, you know, let me show you here. So you have this circle one that is an option, but then you also have this one for trigger point. So if you're having trigger point issues, if you're having pain, inflammation, possibly you're doing some physical therapy, you can use this, right? So trigger point is where you come in and you really apply the pressure. So you've got that one, you can use it on your spine, on your back. You've got the flatter option. The flatter option is also a really great option when you're doing the lymphatic fluid, because once again, you want that nice light pressure. If you've ever been to a lymphatic massage, they're very, very gentle with the touch versus that deep tissue with the elbow, right? So if you want that deep tissue elbow, you're gonna hit it the 4. If you want that nice and light, you're just gonna do the 1, and then you're just gonna kind of move that lymph and move that fluid. Now, especially for females, because our legs kind of get puffy around our cycle at the end of the day, or circulation, or anyone, start at the top of your body and then work your way down, right? And the goal is to move all the fluid so that it kind of flows out, and then drink a lot of water. So if you're looking to do some recovery, you've got options 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, the deeper the pressure, that's for more pain inflammation. If you're trying to increase circulation, increase lymph, different things like that, you want to use a different knob. So you got 4 different options, comes with a charger, it comes with a nice case, so you're pretty much all set up and easy to go. But just remember, there's so much more you can do with this than just muscle recovery.